Are you actively trying to grow your YouTube channel in 2021? Well, stick around and I will go over exactly how I went from averaging about 100 views a week to now 20,000 views a week in just a few months on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Abaddon, and today I want to go over every detail on how I went from, in just 2 to 3 months, went from averaging just a handful of views to 100 views a week to now 20,000 plus even per week. So let's get right into it. So there's 2 resources I like to use to learn how to grow my channel. First one is TubeBuddy, and then the second one is just your channel analytics, to be honest. If you haven't followed my channel before now, or within just recent times, close to a year ago when the Black Ops Cold War beta came out, I used TubeBuddy for a live stream, and I paid close attention to how I titled and just used the description and tags on a live stream on YouTube. That stream ended up getting just shy of 20,000 views. So going into the stream, I only had like 300 subs. I was getting like no views on my channel, hardly at all. Had almost 20,000 viewers, and I ended up getting close to 700 subs. I was at like 950 subs after that stream, and the only reason why that stream ended when it did is because I kept getting DDoSed. I could have grown a lot more on that one day if I had not run into those issues. TubeBuddy is a fantastic way to get grounded on knowing how you should title, how you should do your descriptions, and your tags. The other resource that I like to use is my analytics. So let's actually go up into my analytics, go to YouTube Studio. All right, so we're here at the main overall channel analytics. And if you look, there's a lot of green. We got 57,000 views in the last 28 days, which would be a lot higher, but the last week I didn't upload very much. Yesterday was the first day I uploaded in about 5-6 days, which I don't think taking a few days off hurts anything. But at the same time, my mentality is any moment that I'm not working on my channel, I'm losing out. So that's just a good mindset to have. So if you look, in just the last month, I got 57,000 views, 52,000 more than usual. That's a big jump. Wouldn't you agree? Watch time 500 hours. That's all an eighth of the 4,000 hours needed in the 28 days. And if so unfortunately, my monetization though is only at 1377. So we'll get into why that's so low though. So if we go over to my content, my biggest thing, if you look at my videos here, I'm getting hundreds and thousands of views off of shorts. If you see, you can see all these vertical videos here. YouTube Shorts is the best way to get your channel noticed right now, from what I've found. You can go from being absolutely nobody to getting the algorithm can pick up your video and you will get seen. This video right here, one facing the Templar and Vault of Glass, uploaded at May 24th, so about 3 weeks ago or so, and I'm about to hit 10,000 views on it. And it's interesting. Shorts are very interesting. It keeps hitting the algorithm a little bit. Right now, you go to my analytics for this video. It's getting views right now. It's got 135 views in just the last 20 minutes. It got almost 300 views last hour. It keeps getting views. And if you look at the traffic sources, it's mainly from shorts. I've gotten 8 new subscribers, and the watch time on this 1-minute video is 140 hours almost alone. The issue with shorts though is it doesn't count towards watch time, and that kind of kills it in a sense. My watch hours would be much higher. I might even be monetized at this point if it wasn't for, or if the watch hours counted. But that's okay, because subscribers, you still get your subscribers. If we look further into our analytics, click-through rate's 4%, not that great, but from what I understand, 4% is still a solid number. Almost all of the traffic source is from shorts. So that's a lot of people that did not see my channel before. Another example we have is my top Warzone play is number 5. You go to my analytics for this. I have 7,700 views on this video. 12 new subscribers from this video with 73 hours of watch time off of a 55-second video. So a lot of creators, they talk about how hard it is to hit their first 100 subscribers, their first 500 subscribers. If you upload multiple shorts a day, you're going to get picked up by the algorithm. It's really easy. All you have to do is put hashtag shorts in the title or description, and you're going to get people that find your channel. If I'm being honest, if I actually made thumbnails, I would probably have even higher analytics right now, but thumbnails are just an area I lack in personally. And if we look further into watch time, if shorts counted towards monetization, I mean, I've gotten upwards of 100 watch hours in one day from shorts. And what's great is what I've started doing just in the last couple days, actually. Upload shorts on your channel, 1, 3, 5, whatever you want to do per day or every other day. People are going to find your channel. But then you support the shorts with at least like 1, maybe 2, depending on how much time you have. I mean, you don't have to have any set rules on how much you have to upload. Support the shorts with longer videos. So what I've started doing, so what I like to do is I like to pair my shorts with longer videos. Upload 10-minute videos, 5-minute videos, 15-minute videos, whatever you want. And you're gonna, if you keep uploading shorts every day, every few days, every couple days, and you upload the longer videos, you're gonna keep getting new people to find your channel. But then they're also gonna see they're gonna be able to watch those longer videos that will count for watch time. And slowly over time, you're gonna keep building your subscriber count. Your average views are gonna go up, and it's just gonna be a little bit of a snowball effect over time. And you're gonna start reaching the goals that you want. If you don't know how to edit shorts, I have a video, I'll put it in the description, on how I edit my short videos. It takes me maybe 5 minutes to edit a short, maybe 10, depending on how much I want to put into it. If you don't know how to edit shorts, I just created a Fiverr account to start editing shorts for people. I'll put the link to that in the description as well. If you need help getting shorts edited, just check it out and I can help you out with that. If I go over to my Templar, one phasing the Templar short video, it's actually amazing how much people like to trash talk in the comments. So if you look here, I have 9,400 views on this short, 330 likes, 18 dislikes. Not everyone's gonna like your content. That's totally fine. It's good that everyone has their own different opinions, but you get people that comment kind of saying, oh, that's not very impressive and stuff. What I like to do, and this might be why the video keeps getting views on the algorithm, is many people have done this, but I respond in ways that kind of gets them to try and talk back. Then I rock the shit out of that bitch work, no doubt. Might as well break out some pizza next time and at least enjoy the vacation time. Pretty bold of you to assume I didn't already do this. So I like to respond in ways that kind of tries to get them to talk back to me, but that gets them to go back to the video. That gets them to interact with the video in some form or fashion so that people keep clicking on it. And interactions with videos helps videos get seen. And that's why I believe this video is doing so well. And if you don't already have TubeBuddy installed in your browser, install it. It'll tell you how you're doing. It'll help suggest tags. It'll give you suggestions on practices on how to best set up and SEO your videos to be seen. And then make sure you respond to everyone that comments in some form or fashion, even if they're talking shit. No matter what they're saying, respond to them in some way. Get more interactions on the video, and your videos are going to get more views. You're going to get more subscribers. People are going to see you're interacting, and it's just going to help you all around. So to kind of wrap it up, the analytics explain everything. These numbers are looking really good, and this is just the last month. Next month, you'll get better. You'll get more. You'll learn what works for you. Play around with a lot of different ideas. I've tried Destiny shorts. I've tried Call of Duty shorts. I've tried all sorts of different things that I like to see that works. And honestly, Destiny is working the best for me right now, but I kind of want to focus more on the Call of Duty side of gaming. If you have any questions on shorts, on TubeBuddy, on pretty much anything, if you have any questions, period, let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you learned anything at all, anything that can help you in your path to success, and subscribe to the channel. I can do more videos like this if you guys want. I live stream on this channel and the Xiled Syndicate channel. Subscribe to that channel as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.